In Morocco, I found a 12-year-old kid that builds incredible robots from his bedroom all by himself. One of his robots is a mask that works by hand motion. Another is a garbage bin that opens automatically, and another is a spinning clock that shows the time in the dark. Who is this kid and what is his IQ score?
وأنا القدوة ديالي هو إيلون ماسك، يعني كان نتمنى بشدة باش يعني أنني نتلاقى به.
In a little town in Morocco, I found Billal.
Hi Nas DAILY, I am Mohammed Bilal. I'm 12 years old and I want to be the next Elon Musk.
Bilal was just a poor kid from a poor neighborhood. Every day, as he went home from school, he kept seeing people with disabilities and he could not stand it.
وأنا غالباً اللي كنبغي ندير شي بروجي ولا شي فكرة، يعني غالباً ما كتكون متعلقة يعني بشي روبوت اللي كيساعد البشرية والناس المعاقين.
So Bilal kept thinking about how he could help until one day he realized robots are the solution. They can give disabled people more power.
واحد نهار جاب لي واحد السيارة يعني اللي كانت زوينة بزاف وكنت فرحت بها بزاف، ويعني في داك النهارات يعني كنت بديت كنقلب ديك السيارة نشوف كيفاش مصنوعة، وهكاك بدا يعني الحب ديال هذا المجال.
So he started to learn about mechanics, physics and engineering at a young age. He took wires, screwdrivers, electric circuits and started building his own robots.
وانا هاد الشيء باش بدا يعجبني وباش يعني بديت كان انني نخترع. هي في البدايه بديت بلاد تطفى وتشعل، هكا بقيت كنتعلم موراها موتور، موراها يعني نخلط حوايج.
That's why Bilal created this robot hand to help people with special needs. With this hand, people who have difficulty moving can get to objects that are out of their reach.
هاد اليد كتحاكي الحركات ديال اليد حقيقية. قمت بالاختراع ديالها من أجل ذوي الاحتياجات الخاصة اللي يعني يكون عندهم في عوض يد ما عندهمش اليد، تكون عندهم واحد اليد اصطناعية باش يقدروا يهزوا بها حوايج، يعني يديروا بها بعض الأشياء.
He made this alarm that calls you on your phone whenever there's a gas leak, so that now if a disabled person has a problem in their house, someone could come to their rescue. He even made this crazy trash bin that opens automatically when it senses your hands coming towards it.
كي كنقرب لها كتحل بوحدها اوتوماتيكيا باش هكا يعني ما نقيسوش في هذيك سلة المهملات وما ينتشرش عدوى كورونا.
And with all of these inventions, Bilal even won the World Robots competition. But you might wonder, how did he learn to do all of this?
وأنا كان يعني أي إنسان عنده أي موهبة يقدر أنه يطورها ويتعلم يعني من الإنترنت ويعني من هذه الأجهزة يعني التواصل الاجتماعي، وفي البيئة المناسبة لذاك المجال يعني كيبدع أكثر وكي يعني كيطور المهارات ديالو أكثر.
A poor kid from a little town in Morocco is building machines to help people in need. He is making magic out of nothing, only using the internet and his 12-year-old hands. This is proof that talent exists everywhere in the world. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching Nas Daily. Nas means people in Arabic, humans. And we are on a mission to show you the stories of humans from all around the world. I'm actually very excited about the videos we're working on. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you don't miss a video. We think everybody in the world should watch them. Thank you and see you soon.